all. Today in this video we are going to talk about computational mathematics concept number 18, example of bisection methods. Here we have the equations at x cube minus 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. We have to find the real roots of these equations accurate with the 10 to the power minus 2 by using bisection methods. So for fx, this is given functions. Here f of 0 is -1, which is negative, and f of 1 is 5, which is positives. Also, the absolute error should be less than 10 to the power minus 2. Thus, the roots lies between 0 and 1. And here the number of iteration is becomes 7. But why we can find this number of iterations? We have n is greater or equal to log of b minus a minus log of epsilon by log of 2. If we put b is equal to 1, a is equal to 0, and epsilon is equal to 10 to the power minus 2, then we get here 6.6530. So this is equal to 7. Hence, the number of iteration becomes 7. Okay. So what we should do here? A is negative value, B is positive value. So first, for the first iterations, A becomes 0, B becomes 1. Then first approximation value becomes 0.5, and value of f of x becomes -1. If this is -1, then this is replaced by this. So in this way, you can calculate the error. So here is positive, so this value should replace here, and this is negative, so this value is replaced here. So in this way, also there is minus, so this value should replace here, and this is positive, so this value is here. And in this way we can find the value 0.66406, and hence the root with desired accuracy is 0.66406. Here the error absolute error 0.0078 is less than 10 to the power minus 2, that is 0.01. Hence our approximation root is this.